Okay, so the fan probably loud in the background, but don't pay it any mind, right? So I bought 6 naseberry. I haven't had any naseberry because growing up, it was something like my daddy used to pick off the tree. Like we had naseberry galore. We had two massive two, one there, 3. We had yeah, sorry about that, my battery died. We had 3 naseberry trees in our yard, right? And my dad used to pick for us so many naseberries, and then after I passed away, I just couldn't bring myself to eat any naseberry. So Saturday at the market, I was like, come on D, come on, you can do this, you can eat a naseberry, come on. So I bought 6 of them. One of them got squeezed in the taxi, and I came home and I had to eat it, and it was sweet. It was, oh, I love naseberry. And then also, so on the plate we have pineapple. I also bought June plum. I bought June plum as well. I haven't had plum in probably 7 years. Jamaican June plum, Jamaican naseberry, Jamaican naseberry. Oh, I had one of the plum as well. I had to have it, so I had one of the plum. And then today I was walking in Ligani, and they have like this street market down by Ligani at the mosaic place. It's close to Ligani, like you're going towards Kingston, right as you turn up, right below the gas station in Ligani, right? They have like a Saturday market, and I went there, bought a natural juice. Long story short, when I went over to the natural juice lady, I realized that she was selling fruits and so on. So I bought a natural juice from her for like $500. Drank it, sour, but it was really good. And I asked how much for bananas, and she was like $400. Sorry, I was like, I never budget or plan to buy any bananas. And she was like, you know what? You can have it, girl. You can have it. And I got one. And I'm like, oh my God, you're so sweet. So I bought a plantain from her, because I can't go anywhere and leave plantain. So I bought a plantain from her as well. So anyways, going to wrap up this video just to say, if you're in Ligani, stop by the Saturday market down by the mosaic center and go to the fruits lady. Yeah, she's at the back. Go to the fruits lady with the natural juice at the Saturday market in Ligani down by the mosaic center. It's close to the police station. Matilda's police station is close to there. Alright, bye. I'm going to enjoy these naseberry. I'm going to enjoy my plum. I'm going to enjoy my pineapple, and I'm going to enjoy my